To perform gestational age calculations on the Apogee 2300, you freeze your image while scanning and press Calc. If you're in the general pet abdomen mode, you'll have to navigate to find your reproductive calculation. So you would move your mouse over abdomen, press Set, and you can then find it there. You'll see you have a whole range of species you can access here. The easiest way if you're scanning dogs is to just remember before you start your exam. Oh, God. To perform gestational age calculations using the Apogee 2300, freeze your image, press Calc. If you're in the general abdominal mode, you'll have to navigate to find reproductive. So move your mouse over abdomen, press Set, and you can then find reproduction here. You've got a whole range of species to choose from. However, if you know from the start you're going to be scanning a dog for pregnancy, then the best thing to do is just before you even start your exam, click Exam and make sure you're in Pet Repro. If you're in the Repro mode, then automatically when you press Calc, you're already going to be presented with the various canine gestational age calculation packages. Let's go into a scan that I did earlier and practice some measurements. So to go into your existing scans, press Smarchive at the top, double click my scan, and here are all my images. If I just double click one of them, it's going to bring me into the whole exam again. Okay, so let's pick an image that we might like to measure from. So I always save video clips, not stills, so I can then scroll through and find a good point. This dog came in, she was about 34 days, so the sac is now starting to elongate. It's not a perfect circle, so it's not the best time to do a gestational sac measurement. But let's try that one first. So you press Calc. I did this scan in general abdominal, so you can see it's now brought me back into that same set of calculations. So I'm going to have to manually go into reproduction, canine, and GS, gestational sac. So I'm measuring at the black-white interface, and it's giving me a measurement of 4 weeks and 4 days, which is about right actually, and it's telling you that's plus or minus 2 days. So always make sure you advise clients that this is not an exact measurement, that there is a plus or minus a few days. I always say 3 or 4 actually, because that then controls for any measurement error or the fact that we're not using the perfect calculation for that stage of pregnancy.